Mental illness is one of the most troublesome health concerns of society today. Today, we're going to be exploring the different aspects of mental illness that may be difficult for those afflicted to share. Number 1, they worry about the stigma attached to mental illness. People suffering from mental illness often fret over how mental illness is perceived in society. Although major strides have been taken in acceptance and understanding of mental illness, there's still quite a negative connotation about it. There's fear that they're labeled as crazy and alienated from the rest of society. Number 2, they're concerned that they won't be taken seriously. It's often the case that ignorant, ill-informed people will dismiss the claims of individuals genuinely going through mental illness. These self-proclaimed experts will insist to you that it's all in your head, and the people afflicted by it just need to cheer up. Number 3, they're anxious about getting treatment. Many people suffering from mental illness do not want to talk about it because they're scared that they're going to have to go under treatment. They worry about being separated from their friends, from their society, from their family. They may also fear from being sedated from drugs that could powerfully change their personality. Number 4, they feel like no one understands them. Some individuals don't speak out about mental illness because they feel like most people would not understand. People who suffer in this way feel extremely alone, and it often pushes them to further torment. It takes a lot of encouragement and support to get these people to open up. And number 5, sometimes they just want silence. Just because someone doesn't want to talk doesn't mean they're hiding something. They may just want peace and quiet. Sometimes silent contemplation and reflection is a way for mental illnesses to heal. For people on the outside looking in, it may seem like that there's something in their mind that they want to talk about, but they can't. For people with mental illnesses, it's hard to explain why they want silence. People who witness the silent behavior often misinterpret it as being ignored, and in turn, the people with mental illness often become annoyed at being continuously questioned about what's bothering them when all they want to be is left alone. And that's all we got for today's video. If you think that this video can raise awareness for people suffering from mental health issues, then please share. Don't forget to leave a comment below, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe,